Hey kids! Welcome to Examhood. Today, we're visiting a hospital. You'll see doctors, nurses, stethoscopes, and even cool machines that help people feel better. Ready to explore? Let's go! Doctor, the person who helps make you feel better. It is spelled like this, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Nurse, a friendly helper who takes care of patients. It is spelled like this, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Patient, someone who is getting treatment to feel better. It is spelled like this, P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient. Stethoscope, a tool doctors use to listen to your heart. It is spelled like this, S-T-E-T-H-O-S-C-O-P-E, stethoscope. Syringe, a small tool used for giving shots or drawing blood. It is spelled like this, S-Y-R-I-N-G-E, syringe. Bandage, a wrap used to cover cuts and help them heal. It is spelled like this, B-A-N-D-A-G-E, bandage. Hospital bed, a special bed where patients rest. It is spelled like this, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L-B-E-D, hospital bed. Wheelchair, a chair on wheels to help people who can't walk. It is spelled like this, W-H-E-L-C-H-A-I-R, wheelchair. X-ray machine, a big machine that takes pictures of bones inside your body. It is spelled like this, X-R-A-Y-M-A-C-H-I-N-E, X-ray machine. Medicine, pills or liquids that help make you feel better. It is spelled like this, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. Thermometer, a tool used to check if you have a fever. It is spelled like this, T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R, thermometer. Emergency room, ER, a special place for people who need quick help. It is spelled like this, E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y-R-O-O-M, emergency room. Crutches, sticks that help people walk if their leg is hurt. It is spelled like this, C-R-U-T-C-H-E-S, crutches. IV drip, a bag of liquid medicine that helps patients get better. It is spelled like this, I-V-D-R-I-P, IV drip. Hospital gown, a special outfit that patients wear in the hospital. It is spelled like this, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L-G-O-W-N, hospital gown. Waiting room, a place where family and friends wait for news. It is spelled like this, W-A-I-T-I-N-G-R-O-O-M, waiting room. Lab coat, a white coat worn by doctors and nurses to keep clean. It is spelled like this, L-A-B-C-O-A-T, lab coat. Heart monitor, a machine that checks how your heart is doing. It is spelled like this, H-E-A-R-T-M-O-N-I-T-O-R, heart monitor. Great job exploring the hospital with us, kids. From doctors to stethoscopes, we learned about so many important things. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to come back for more fun learning at Examhood. See you next time.